Hi art lovers, how you doing today? Got me a vase here. Excuse me, got me a vase. And I've got to put it in a plastic cup. And all I did to it was wiped it off with rubbing alcohol. A little warm in the studio today. Good drink. My paint for today is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. We're going to use two colors. I got blue and then the white. Titanium white. And the blue is cobalt blue. So we're going to put some in. We're just going to do a dirty pour on it. Squeeze some of this white in here. Squeeze some blue in there. Oh, the blue is sinking. Yep. Alright, well, we're going to put a little more blue in here. And we're going to top it off with some more white. Just blue and white is all we're having. Alright, let that set a little bit. And let's do a dirty pour on this today. Whew. Cheers. Some high quality H2O. That was a cool movie. The Water Boy. Yeah, we'll just put a little bit more blue on it. That should be enough to do this. Alright. Here we go. I'm going to try to pour it slow. I'm going to do kind of a tree ring pour. Turn to one side. Yep. I'm going to stop it right there just for a second. I don't know if I'm... Alright, let's try this again. Hopefully that made it a little more level. what we want in something like this is a nice even pour to go all the way around. So for one, it at least covers up the vase. Had fun this weekend. I hope you all had fun doing what you enjoy. That looks like it's covering up pretty good. Let's let it sit there and just continue falling. All my dark blue is down here in the bottom. That's alright. That's pretty cool. I know at this angle it's hard for you guys to see it, but I tried to move you more of an angle so you get more of a side shot of it, but it still didn't work. I'd have to probably stand back here against the wall for it to work. But my little man cave slash art studio slash, yeah. This is where I do my art. This is where I edit most of the videos. This is where I edit most of my two wheels in a road discovering Southwest Kansas videos, which is one of my biker channels. And I was going to try to get around and get some museums and stuff like that, so if you're touring around, you could, stop in, take a look at local museums. But today we're working on a vase, and it's still dripping. You see the inside the cup there? Ain't much left. But that's looking pretty cool. I think by putting that stick under it, I made it more level, because it seems to be flowing pretty good now. Getting some cool patterns to it. It's actually slowing down. So. Slowing down's a good thing. Hit it with the torch just a little bit to pop any of those bubbles, air bubbles. because these paints were, I did shake them up, and I didn't really let them sit very long before I poured them in the cups. So yeah, this is going to be a quick little video. Red and white. I guess you'd call it a dirty pour on a vase. We'll let this run and dry and show you all the dry parts at the end of the video, what it looks like after it's dried. So until next time, get out there and paint something.